Hey everyone, it's Mindy Banks, the Flip Flop Chef. I wanted to talk to you really quickly about cleaning your Deluxe air fryer rotating basket. I get a lot of questions about this and wanted to let you know that I just use a round cleaning brush like this one. This one came from Pampered Chef, but we don't sell it anymore. So you could use any kind of round brush with soap and clean the outside of the basket first and then clean the inside. I tend to find get the best results doing it that way. And that's usually all that I need to do before I put it in the dishwasher. So you just need to loosen up all of the little pieces. This is leftover pieces from the bacon that I just air fried. So I'll just rinse it out with soap and water and put it in the dishwasher. But I'll show you another way that you can clean this if you don't have a round brush or if you want to try something different. All right, so the next way that you can clean this is with Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. You can just spray this all over and inside. Just make sure that you get it nice and coated. Let's see. And then I would recommend just letting this sit for just a little bit before you rinse it off. All right, you guys, I'm back. I've let this sit for just a little bit and you can see that I actually had it sitting over here because I was using the sink for something else, but I haven't scrubbed this or anything. So you can just spray it off if you've sprayed it really well with the power wash. You can get most of this clean, but I still recommend putting it in the dishwasher. So the power wash releases most of the caked on pieces. You can see there's a few that aren't washing off, but you can easily take a brush and just brush the outside, or you can put it in the dishwasher, but you can brush the inside of this as well. I'm doing this one-handed, so with two hands, I would be able to use a little bit more elbow grease, but this is not difficult to clean at all. I'll go ahead and brush this out and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so with a little bit elbow grease, I was able to scrub out all of the little pieces, and actually the power wash really, really brightens this up. It's been a long time since I've used the power wash because I usually just put it right in the dishwasher. So you have some options. With a power wash and a little bit of scrubbing, you're not gonna have to put it in the dishwasher at all. Or you can just power wash it and then let the dishwasher do the rest. Hope this is helpful for you guys.